Well, let's go across to Anuj now, who joins in for a quick trade setup this Friday. Anuj, how are you feeling?
I'm good in my Mangalam. It's Friday, so normally always cheerful. How are you?
Friday.
I think it's the same feeling on this side of the table as well.
Yeah, I mean it's okay. You know? I mean, look, that's just on the lighter side, of course. Now, coming to the setup, this is one thing that I've been talking about for some time now, that the Bank Nifty is looking one shade stronger than the Nifty, and I'll just put it in numbers. In September so far, the Bank Nifty is up 3.3%. And the Nifty is up only 0.7%. The reason for that is the Nifty IT has started to fall. It's now down about 2%. The only risk which emerged yesterday was that did the Bank Nifty make a double top? Yesterday's high was 53,353. The all-time high was 53,357. So for practical purposes, you hit all-time high, but still, on record, you still didn't hit an all-time high. Anyway, yesterday was the third highest close of the Bank Nifty, and only the third time that the Bank Nifty has closed above 53,000. So in that sense, the close was actually quite good. And normally, first attempt at an all-time high is rejected. The second attempt is successful. Let's see if we make another attempt at that all-time high. And quickly now, why is the Bank Nifty rallying all of a sudden? I think, you were just discussing with Deepan how PSUs have started to underperform. Defense has started to underperform. I think market's focus over the last 1 month all of a sudden has moved to undervalued pocket. And in the market, the only space which is undervalued is large private sector banks. Whether it's HDFC Bank, Kotak, Axis, they're all trading below their mean valuations or median valuations. ICICI Bank, yes, is fairly valued, but then that's also not done a lot over the last 1 year. That's also underperformed the market. So that's on the Bank Nifty. Coming to Nifty levels now, first resistance is 25,500 to 25,550. Then the bigger resistance is 25,600 to 25,650. Support comes in at 25,350 to 25,400, and then 25,150 to 25,250. For the quote of the day, since it's Friday and since it's cinema day, I'm referring to, and also, keep in mind the Shawshank Redemption, perhaps the greatest movie of all time, completes 30 years next month. And of course, we have one of the greatest actors ever, Morgan Freeman. That's the quote that I apply in my life as well. That's on screen for you.
You want to say that in Morgan Freeman's voice?
You are good at that, Mark. You can do that.
That's a beautiful one, and of course one of my favorite actors, and I think all of our actors. Somehow he's always played. I think he's played God a few times over in many.
Bruce Almighty.
I forget the movie.
Bruce Almighty.
Bruce Almighty.
Bruce Almighty.
So
there was one of this. There was a content piece where he was called to one of these talk shows, and they just played a random video of a man walking down the street and asked him to do the voiceover on that, and that itself sounded like
he's such a great actor. Once he played Nelson Mandela, and when Nelson Mandela died, a lot of publications mistakenly put his picture.
absolutely.